everyone, let's talk about UV weathering test chamber, key applications in various industries. Sunlight, moisture and temperature changes cause materials to fade, crack and weaken. The UV weathering test chamber helps industries test durability and improve product lifespan. Let's explore its key applications. First, automotive industry. Vehicles face constant sun and weather exposure. UV testing ensures dashboards and interior prevent fading and cracking. Headlights and taillights maintain UV resistance, and exterior paints ensure color stability and durability. Second, packaging industry. UV exposure can weaken packaging materials. This test helps plastic films and labels prevent fading and loss of integrity. And cardboard and paper maintain strength under sunlight. Third, paints and coatings industry. Paints must withstand year of exposure. UV testing ensures architecture's paints maintain long-term color stability. Marine coatings resist UV and salt water damage. And protecting coatings stay durable in extreme weather. Fourth, textile and fabric industry. Fabrics need UV protection to retain strength and color. The chamber tests outdoor clothing and sportswear, prevent fading and fiber weakening. Fifth, plastic and polymer industry. Plastics degrade under UV exposure. Testing helps plastic furniture withstand outdoor conditions. Agricultural films maintain transparency and strength, and plastic bottles resist brittleness and color changes. Sixth, aerospace and marine industry. Extreme UV and environmental conditions demand durability. The test ensures aircraft interiors prevent fading and material breakdown. Boat surfaces stay UV and weather resistance, and offshore structures maintain strength in harsh conditions. UV weathering test chambers help industries develop high quality, long lasting products. Want to ensure better durability? Contact Pacorr.com.